All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. Went on the other side of the tracks. Coming northbound, getting ready to diverge on the Hurt connector to go west on the Ex VGN. This will be NS 165. And y'all have a safe trip. ES 44-9-8 lash up. I don't know if you can see it. Let's zoom in on it a little bit. Got a clear signal there on track 1. If I'm not mistaken, if I had to guess, I would say that is 213 signal. I think they just left Lynchburg. This is where 165, 134, well, that could be coming southbound. Let's do that again. This would be like where 195 and 165 diverge to go to Roanoke. And this would be where 134, 194, and 18M, forgot about them. This is where they come from Roanoke onto the Piedmont Division main line to go down to Spitzer Yard at Linwood. So you got 17M, 195, and 165 coming north to go west. Also 217 as well. And then coming in from the west, going east to go south back to Linwood would be 134, 194, 18M, and 218. Also, you can catch a coal and grain taking the Hurt connector. It's a pretty busy connector, actually. I'm hoping to catch me some Virginian traffic today. And if I would have went about 5 miles west, I would have. 165 is a long drain. comes the end of 165. I didn't hear what that was that come over the scanner. I don't know if that's 213 calling a signal down at the next signal. Could have been 165 calling their signal. They must have a speed restriction or something. Either that or he's meeting somebody. I don't know. That could be it too. He brakes, wouldn't you say? Well, he just put on the brakes. Strange as it may be to say on April 21st, my hands are starting to freeze up. I don't know, maybe they got a siding across the river. Here's the end. That's a pretty good picture right there. But it does not look like I'm going to get to see them going around the bend. They're going to stop right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got to see them all the way. NS 165 on the Hurt connector, stopping for whatever reason or the other. And we got 213, I think, coming southbound. So we'll see what happens between now and then. All right, ladies and gentlemen.